Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this warm greenish color grading in CapCut. So first, just add the clip that you want to edit and then go to filters, and here use the hope filter on your clip and adjust it to 100. So the video now will look like this, and click on the adjust tab. Now lower the brightness of your video into -6 and contrast increase it to 6. The saturation -4, exposure -2, and the sharpness increase it to 15. Okay, now click on the grabs and use these curves for the white and red color. Okay, I'm going to add 5 beads into the white grabs and adjust it like this. Okay, adjust it like this. Okay, this is for the white grabs, and now for the red curves. Just it like this. Okay, go back, and now for the shadow, increase it to 13, temperature 9, and the hue -6, and add some vignette around 4. And after that, you are done, and this will be the result. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So this is the before, and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.